Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravisirjee Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lecture, we are going to learn how to solve the pair of linear equation with two variables by cross multiplication method. Which method? By cross multiplication method. Students, in our today video lesson, I have taken a single questions. You will have to just practice this question because this question, students, very important for the exam point of view. Okay, let's start over here. Students, here you can see that the pair of linear equations are x by a minus y upon b is equal to 0 and ax plus by minus a square plus b square is equal to 0. Students, your target should be what? First of all, convert this pair of linear equation with two variable into its standard form. Means you will have to convert this pair of linear equation in general form of a linear equation with two variable. Okay, so moving to the first equation. The first equation is what? X upon a minus y upon b is equal to 0. Okay, simplifying these things, so what we are getting over here? Xb minus ay divided by a into b is equal to 0. So a into b never will be 0. So you can write what? Xb minus ay is equal to 0, where a into b will not equal to 0. Okay, student? And on the other hand, the second equation is already in the general form, so you can write these things: ax plus by minus in the bracket a square b square is equal to 0. So students, what you will have to do over here? Just comparing this pair of linear equation, comparing with a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Right, student? So we know that x upon, if you want to find out the value of x, so in cross multiplication method there is a formula. If you are taking x over here, so don't take the coefficient of x. It means the formula is what? b1 b2 c1 c2 y c1 c2 a1 a2 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay, students, now we will substitute the values of a1 b1 b2 c1 c2 and a1 a2. So students, here you can see that a1x, so x is common. So what is the value of a1 over here? What is a1? Is b. What is b1 over here? A. c1 is nothing, means 0. Similarly, a2 is what? A. b2 is what? B. And c2 is what? Minus a square plus b square. Right, student? Okay, so x upon the value of b1 b2. What is b1 over here? A minus a. What is minus a? What about b2? b2 is what? B. c1. Students, here you can see that there is not a constant term, so c1 will be what? 0 and c2 is what? This term, means a square plus b square in the bracket minus in the bracket a square plus b square. So we can write what? A square plus b square. Right, student? Similarly for y, c1 c2. So we wrote over here c1 c2. So this is 0 and what? Minus in the bracket a square b square. Now a1 a2. Students, here you can see that x is common, so value of a1 is what? B. And here a2, the value of a2 is what? A. a1 a2 we wrote over here. a1 a2 means ba. BA, B1 B2, B1 B2. Already we wrote it over here, minus A and B, minus A B. Right, student? What we will do the next? We will do the cross multiplication. What we will do? Cross multiplication means A is to be multiplied this term and B is multiplied by this term. So 0 into A, then this into this, B into B and A into minus. By doing the cross multiplication over here, minus A into minus into minus, there will be plus. So A is multiplied by A square plus B square minus, this is a sign of formula, 0 into B, 0 into B, right? So y upon 0 into A, 0 into A minus, this is a sign of formula, here is minus into minus A square plus B square into B. So this minus and this minus will be plus. So B into A square plus B square, A square plus B square, 1 upon B into B, B square, this is a sign of formula, A into minus A, there will be minus A, so minus A is multiplied by this minus term, so it will become plus. So A into A square, so A into minus A, and here is minus, so it will be plus, so A square. Right, students? So simplifying over here, so x upon A into A into A cube plus A into B square, AB square is equal to y upon A into 0, 0 plus B into A square, means A square B plus B into B square, B cube, 1 upon A square B square, A square plus B square. Right, student? So next step will be what? X upon, there will be something common over here, A will be common, so we can write what? A square plus B square, y upon, students, from here this is 0, so what will be this one? So we can write like that way. So what will be common from here? B, so A square plus B square, 1 upon A square plus B square. Right, student? Okay, now comparing this x term with constant and this y terms with y with constant term. So x upon A square plus B square is equal to 1 upon A square plus B square, and y upon B into A square plus B square, 1 upon A square plus B square. Right, students? So this will be cancelled out. So x upon A is equal to what? 1, and these two will cancel out. Y upon B is equal to 1. So x will be 1 into A and y will be 1 into B. So the value of x will be A and the value of y will be B. Okay, students, in this way you can find out the solution of equation with two variable using cross multiplication method. Okay, students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravisirjee Maths. Thank you so much.